Hello and welcome back to the channel. And today we'll give you a website tour of our website. And this is a go-to place for every IPM aspirant. Here we have study material, video lectures, mock tests, mock interviews, and tips to crack VAT and everything else related to IPM and other entrance exams. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So as you can see, this is the homepage of our website. And here, this is the IPMAT in the entrance exam. On clicking this link, it will take us to the IPMAT indoor web page. Here, as you can see, we have given a brief about the IPMAT program. And then we talk about the study material, video lectures, mock tests, PI and VAT, asked doubts in Super 300. When we go on to the study material web page, you can see all the topics here. The verbal ability in English, quants and mathematics, logical reasoning, data interpretation, GK and book section. Going on the quant and maths section, as you can see here, we have all these topics: partnership, set theory, simple equation, simple and compound interest, time and work variation, algebraic expression, time, speed and distance, and a lot more topics. Going on the time and work, it will take us to this web page. Here, as you can see, this is the web page, and I can download it, and then I can see the PDF. Okay. I'll try opening it for you if I'm able to open it. Okay, so from here you can install the PDF and then open it, and then you will be able to see the PDF. Now moving back to the study material thing. Now moving back, as you can see now here we have got verbal ability in English. The web page is loading. Now, as you can see, this is the idioms and phrases, literary devices, verbs, tone of passages, and here you can find the PDF. So as you can see, we have study material for every topic from quant to verbal ability and logical reasoning and GK sections. And you can find the PDFs of all the important topics in these categories, and you can study from them. And then moving forward, here we have video lectures also. Now, these are the video lectures. Basically, these are the, as you can see, these are the recommended video lecture links. This will help you a lot. See, these are the YouTube links. And when you use these links, when you'll copy the link and paste it on Google or any other search engine, it will take you to the video. So it will help you to understand concepts better. We have provided recommended links for every topic on our website. And now moving forward, here you can find mock tests. Here we have all the previous year papers of IPMAT, JIPMAT, and this is a DOJAT paper 2, DOJAT paper 1, DOJAT 2020 paper, DOJAT 2020 paper 1. As you can see, all the DOJAT exams, then the NPAT exams, the IPMAT Rohtak exam, IPMAT Indore exam. Here you can find all the exam question papers. Okay. And here we have the sectional tests, IPMAT Indore verbal ability section 1, quant section 1, as you can see. Then we also have subject specific test. You can see the LR test. Okay. As you can see, you have to fill this Google form. And then once you fill this Google form, your answer will be submitted and you'll get your score and the correct and wrong answers. Okay. As you can see, if I want to take the verbal ability test, I can take the verbal ability test. So as you can see, all the topic tests related to various topics. Okay. Test series. Right now there are no posts yet, but we'll keep on updating it. And here you'll be able to find mock tests, which will help you to analyze your preparation and will help you in preparing better for the exams. So now moving forward, here we have the personal interview and written ability test. We have an aid to help you in the personal interview and written ability test round. So as you can see, this is our blog, and you can find the various things that will help you in your exams. For example, this is the example topics. These are some of the topics that were given to various students during their interview for various entrance examinations. And these are, as you can see, GK for personal interview preparation. You need to have a good hold of general knowledge. And if you click on this link, it will take you on to another web page, and you can find it GK material here. As you can see, if I go on to the static GK, see here, if I do the link to all the static GK, you will find important places in India, 50 most famous temples in India with their location, list of nuclear power plants, list of ports in India. So we have got you covered for the GK prep for your personal interview. Okay, now moving backward. These are, as you can see, mock interviews. Here we have given some of the links of mock interviews of various students. It will help you to analyze better what they did better and where they made mistakes and how they improved those mistakes, which help them to crack the interview. If you will go through these videos, you will be able to prepare better for your interviews. So we recommend watching these videos. And now here you can find the written ability test preparation. Here we have given the important topics for written ability test and the GK you need to have for written ability test. And as you can see, all the topics. And then here we have given the Telegram link to we have given the link of our Telegram group. Do visit it, as it will help you to connect with us, ask doubts to us, and we'll be able to help you in a better manner. So now, see, if you visit the IPMAT, Rohtak or DUJAT link, you will be taken to their respective web pages, and you'll be able to find the LR, the various topic tests, mock tests, study material for the respective entrance examinations. Here we have the resources for you. And you will be, if you go to the study material resources, it will take you to the various resources as we discussed earlier. And here we have the community. Here you can ask us doubts, and we reply to all these questions. As you can see, people ask doubts here, and then we solve them. And here we have study material answers, the study material that we have provided, as you can see. Now, as you can see, this is the daily GK and Vocab. Here, every day a GK or a Vocab thing is uploaded. See, 9th November, 10th November, 11th November, 12th November, 13th November, 14th November. So as you can see, we update it regularly. And now this is Life at IIM. You need to know about Life at IIM. So basically, Life at IIM, this web page will motivate you to prepare better and prepare harder for your entrance examinations. You can see here we have the campus tour. It will take you to the YouTube channel of Believer Zone, and you can watch this video. And as you can see, Here we also have our blogs, why IPMAT IIM Bodhgaya, why IPMAT IIM Jammu, why IPMAT IIM Rohtak, which will help you to analyze the courses better. Now, this is life at DU. This web page will help you to know Delhi University better. As you can see, it will take you to the various North campuses, South campus, East campus, and the various colleges that are in that. Now, this is our blog. These are our blogs. This is our B School blog. Here you will find various articles, as you can see, about NPAT, about CUCET, scholarships and financial assistance for IIMs. This is about Christ University. This is about symbiosis entrance test examination. This is about the IPMAT programs of IIM Rohtak. As you can see, we have all these blogs for the B School, and then here we have our PI and PIVAT blog C. We have ways to improve reading skills, frequently asked questions of interviews, frequently asked questions in interviews, interviews and extempore, how to write a verbal ability test. Here you have everything you need to know. So this blog will help you a lot. See, this is the management blog, and here you can find. Here you will find how to improve your communication skills. It's not hard, it's smart work. These blogs will help you to manage and improve your skills. Now this is the social blog. Here you will find other topics. Like reading these blogs will help you to prepare for an interview better. And if one of the topics can come, you'll know how to construct your speech. And here we have the entrance exams. Here we have news related to entrance exams. As you can see, that is the cloud CUCET in 2022 or JIPMAT 2021 dates out best books for entrances. And okay, so this is the Super 300. So basically, Super 300 is a series that we'll launch soon. It will have 300 important questions of quant, verbal ability, logical reasoning, which will help you a lot in your preparation. And we'll be also bringing a lot of videos on our YouTube channel related to the Super 300 series. This series has been developed by various students of IIM Rohtak and IIM Indore and other top institutions of India, which will help you in a better way to prepare for your entrance examination. And we'll launch this series in the end of December month. And here, as you can see, you'll find links to our Quora channel, Facebook, YouTube channel, LinkedIn, and Telegram, Instagram, and Twitter. Do join our Telegram group. You can find the link here, as you can see. And here we have discussions on various topics related to IPMs and other top Indian institutions. And also we solve doubts of various IPM aspirants and DUJAT aspirants on a Telegram group. So don't forget to join the channel. This is all about our website. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope this website will help you in a better way to prepare for your IPMAT coaching. And if you have any doubts, join our Telegram channel or put them in the comment section. Do visit the website, and I'm sure it will help you a lot in your entrance examination. Thank you and have a nice day. With this, I'll end this video.